Frosty the snowman was a jolly happy soul, with a corncob pipe and a button nose, eyes made out of coal. Frosty the snowman is a fairy tale, they say. He was made of snow, but the children know that he came to life one day. There must have been some magic in that old silk hat they found, for when they placed it on his head, he began to dance around. Oh, Frosty the snowman was as live as he could be, and the children say he could laugh and play just the same as you and me.